Make you see what I done. Came in a black Benz, left in the white one.
Telling me I'm not gonna waste my time. Push on make time on, but pressure bust pipe.
So, remember how I said I'd probably dye my hair like burgundy? There we go.
Okay.
I had to tie down the hair literally as soon as I started laying it because no copyright. So I literally had to start laying it down as soon as I, you know, do the do. Still a little bit of red there, so I still have some more stuff to clean up of it, but yeah, this is the travel fit courtesy of Lovely Wholesale. Yeah, it is now 9:29 and we are going to our destination. Yeah, capped. We're going to get food. After we get food, then. But we're basically going. How done I follow something? Yeah. Anyways, anyways, see you later, y'all. So guys, these are the nails. Let's just say I'm waiting to leave, still have not left yet. It is now 11:12, so I'm just gonna put these on in the car. Yeah. All right, so well, we finally left out. I think I said this earlier. I don't remember if I said it earlier, but we left out. Oh, I put on my nails, and this is what they look. They are so cute. What the f? They're so cute, dog. Oh my god, like Shan, you did that. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit skeptical, you know. I wasn't sure if you would have did the thing this good. Like, you did the thing. Oh, for fun. But yeah, I was a little emotional a while ago. Hello, it's Shelby from the future. I'm literally just here to explain like this part because I didn't record it. I was very emotional. Like, I literally cried before I filmed that part because I hate birthdays. I do not like birthdays because in the past all my birthdays were trash. I can like count out 2 or 3 that were good, but every time I tried to plan something, it didn't work out, or every time I wanted to go somewhere, it just never worked out. And also at the time, I never really had anybody around me that made me really feel special on birthdays. So at one point I just stopped. Like, I didn't want to celebrate it. I would post on Instagram and say, hey guys, it's my birthday, but that's about it. And then whenever my birthday is approaching, I feel like extremely sad, and it was just very annoying because people always expect me to be so happy about my birthday. I don't care, bro. Like, I just always have it in my mind that I'm not going to enjoy it. So just like, don't prepare for it, don't expect anything, because you know, if I get my hopes up and feel like, oh, somebody's gonna throw me a surprise party, oh, somebody's gonna get me a gift, oh, somebody's gonna do this for me today and make me feel special, and then it doesn't happen, I am going to be even more sad than I was in the first place. So I just expect nothing, you know. And then why I even cried is because I was talking to one of my friends and she was explaining, you know, that I probably feel a lot of pressure because everybody around me expects me to be happy, and I'm trying to put up that front of being happy when I'm actually not, etc, etc, etc. You know, but my boyfriend came, so anyways, this is not supposed to be depressing, so yeah, keep watching. Yeah, when I get to, you know, where I'm going, I will give you guys a better view. I know I'm gonna look like a little scamisha right now with the do-rag and the 2 piercing them in my nose, and in this type of fit. You know, it's okay. It's okay. We're getting dolled up by the second. You see the nails done. You can see the sneak peek of the hair. It's burgundy. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay? Okay. On continuing the journey. What? Cooler on a subject? It's crazy. They must live close by. Oh, we're finally. Are we here?
No.
People, I think we've been driving for like. We've been driving from 1 o'clock and it is almost 4. Google Maps says we're almost there. Oh my god, I'm tired. Jesus! Wow, we're finally here.
Sorry, the beach.
You can't wait.
The beach can't open at the hills.
People. Fucking finger you broke. I am literally so upset, bro. Man, I kind of got that one here, bro. You know, picture them. You know, hold my yeah. It's not really, you know. I don't know. I'm just gonna use that on ya. You know, some of this. Honestly, I just want to take. I left the freaking glue on the bed by accident because we were rushing to leave out. I am so upset. I'm literally so upset, dog. But you know, we're here. We're here, and he's gone to check whatever it is.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So it is currently 2:04 a.m. It's officially my birthday. Show the time now. Anyways, yeah, I woke up like 12:30 because Shade did call me. I was telling me happy birthday. I was sleeping. I knocked out from about 9 o'clock. That was the plan though. Like I didn't purposely go to sleep with the intentions of waking up after 12. But I was saying all day. So you know, I really want to run. I really want to go on social media or awake when 12 o'clock click because I just can't take the bag of people that tell me happy birthday. I don't know why I'm like this. Anyways, yes, Mr. Love on this shirt because it is the warmest thing I have in my bag. Like went to the pool, I'll come back and literally put it back on. Anyways, outside is very dark right now, and I just said, you know what? Let me just do a skinny dip. I just want to do it so I can tick it off my bucket list. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna come back and let y'all know if I actually did it. So, wish me luck. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hey y'all, it's my birthday. So, last night, well, early this morning, I should say, your girl went skinny dipping for the first time, but let me tell you what happened. After me done go in and everything, mind you, out there was dark, you know, nobody could see anything, everybody in the room, okay? No one done scope out area. Only for reaching at the pool, I'm looking for me. No one came at us. I just saw a red light. I'm like, oh wow. Well, no, the hotel I have my file. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope you enjoyed the show. It's 8:16 and I am going to just do my eyebrows and lashes, take a little picture in my bikini, and then yes, I'm going to do that because I'm gonna do the full makeup right now. I think I need to touch up my hair before I go back to Kingston, which is also today. Yeah, I definitely need to touch up my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back.
wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Because Kiwi stitched it for this bikini, like, wanna see me? Do you see me? I don't think you see me. Like, watch quality. Jesus of mercy, I love this swimsuit so much, so much. Yes, I did an outfit change. Is this blurry? Yes, it is. Clear. Alright, so yeah, quick outfit change. Because the other one, I didn't want to swim in that because I kind of think I didn't want to swim in it. You know, that's just for pictures and stuff, and I feel more comfortable in this one. Well, it matches my. We have like 2 hours left before I head back. Yeah, that's that for now. So I'm gonna take off them damn lashes because no. Goodbye lashings, we're going back to Kingston now.
DJ Kevin.
My ears are you carry on. Girl, just stand up. Shelby, I'm feeling yeah, straight me. Look what you're money.
It has been a roller coaster of a weekend. Today is August 1st. My birthday is officially over. So yesterday when I came back from lashings, I headed straight to a little birthday party that my birthday twin was having, and he invited me, and you know, so I can bring some people and we just like share the birthday celebration. So did that. Girl drunk. Yeah, it was just a really good time. I enjoyed it, like from the day before to just, you know, relaxing, getting everybody out of my hair, spending some time with my boo alone, to having fun with my friends, and then, you know, it's like I just end the night right. I also threw up at the venue. I made sure to force myself to throw up like 4 times and then drink some water because me decided I'm not gonna my bedroom. I wanted to go to sleep sober because I was not in the mood to wake up this morning with a hangover. All in all, it was a great birthday. I am so happy to have, you know, lived to see a new year. I hope I live to see next year and many more years to come. If you know me, I'm not a fan of birthday. Yeah, I just always didn't like when my birthday came around. Even this year, like my ball the entire week, everything that could go wrong went wrong. Although it eventually, you know, got better or whatever. Even when I was at lashings, I had a whole breakdown One, because so like 2 days before that trip, Lee made my nose ring drop out, and I cried for an hour and a half trying to get it back in, until eventually the next day I had to go back down to Needles and make them give me a new ring plus put it in. I had to pay for that. I was annoyed. So 2 days after, the same thing happens again, and I'm just like, I am very annoyed because now I have to go back to Needles to make her put it in. I'm a ball again, and I just had a whole breakdown because I'm like, Jesus God, why miss a salt? What else can go wrong? You know, like I was just over it. I was over it. But then eventually I say, you know what, I am not going back to Needles. I am going to try and find a way to put this damn ring in myself, because it's a corkscrew ring. If you know, you know. It is hard as hell to go in, and it just didn't hurt me. So I said, no man, there must be a technique to this. I watched so many tutorials, but it just happened that all the tutorials that I watched, a lot of them had the piercing on this side, or their corkscrew was different from mine. So I just found one that made sense. Anyways, this is not about the piercing. I have a whole piercing video coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, all that happened. I'm good now. I'm very happy. As you can see, fingernail gone. That explains the fun I had. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to all the birthday wishes. My seashells made me feel so amazing. Like, I feel so loved by my seashells, by my friends, by my family. And when I mean family, I mean my father and my sister tell me happy birthday. John, my brother never tell me happy birthday. He probably forget. Like, the first time I ever forget. It's okay, he has life to deal with. But yeah, I felt very loved, and thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video, because you girls coming back with the heat. Yeah.